YouTube now lets creators keep 100% of brand payments, even with 1,000 subscribers. This zero-split partnership model flips the old ad share rule and opens brand deals to every small channel. The change is the most game-altering move of 2026. It also introduces AI-based matching, making niche creators discoverable to brands. YouTube has rolled out creator partnerships, an upgrade from Brand Connect. The core change is that YouTube no longer takes a cut of brand payments. A brand can now pay a creator $10,000, and the creator keeps the entire amount. The new system uses AI to match creators with brands. It looks at engagement data, audience overlap, and niche fit, not just subscriber count. That means a channel with 300 subscribers but high watch time can be discovered by a retailer looking for a niche audience. The dashboard now has a Creator Partnerships tab, where creators fill out brand preferences. Brands reach out directly, cutting out the middleman fee. This shift levels the playing field for small creators and encourages them to produce high-quality, product-centric content. For investors, the model signals a new revenue stream that scales with engagement, not subscriber milestones. Watch for how brands adjust their spend and how creators diversify their income. The partnership model also allows creators to negotiate terms directly, fostering trust and transparency. Earlier, YouTube Shopping Affiliate required 10,000 subscribers. Now the threshold is 500. Channels that meet YPP Tier 1, 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, can start earning commissions immediately. Commissions range from 10% to over 50%, much higher than traditional platforms. The dashboard sorts products by potential earnings, letting creators focus on high-paying items. The feature works across all formats: videos, live streams, and shorts. Creators who previously depended on AdSense can now generate more revenue from product links embedded in their content. The AI auto-tagging system will later tag older videos, but the new low threshold encourages creators to explore affiliate marketing early. For investors, this democratizes monetization and increases platform stickiness. Watch for how brands shift budgets toward channels that can provide immediate conversion data. Creators can also use product tags to track which links convert best, refining future content. The low subscriber barrier means even hobby channels can monetize niche products, boosting overall ecosystem engagement. Platforms will likely introduce tiered commission rates based on watch time and click-through metrics. Auto-tagging is a new AI feature that scans existing videos for on-screen products or verbal mentions. It automatically generates timestamps, product links, and purchase buttons. This means old reviews or tutorials can start earning commissions without new uploads. The AI uses image recognition and speech-to-text algorithms to identify products, then cross-checks against the YouTube shopping catalog. Creators only need to submit a video for analysis. The system processes it in a few minutes. The feature benefits creators by turning passive content into active revenue streams. For brands, it expands reach as their products appear in more videos. The automated process also reduces manual tagging errors, ensuring higher conversion rates. Watch for how the accuracy improves over time as the AI learns from user feedback. Creators can later edit auto tags to fine-tune product placements or remove irrelevant items. This automation reduces workload, freeing creators to focus on storytelling rather than metadata. YouTube will likely provide analytics on which auto-tag products generate the most clicks. Future iterations may include dynamic pricing links that adjust based on real-time inventory. With these updates, creators no longer need to wait for big subscriber milestones to monetize. A 500 sub channel can now earn commissions on product links, and a 300 sub channel can attract brand deals via AI matching. The key is content that naturally features products. Tech reviews, beauty tutorials, DIY projects, or any niche with tangible items become revenue generators. Creators should prioritize high-engagement formats, shorts, live streams, and evergreen videos to maximize click-throughs. Building a consistent product narrative also helps the auto-tagging AI recognize recurring items, boosting future earnings. Brands will start scouting creators based on engagement, so maintaining high watch time and low drop-off rates becomes critical. Investors eye the platform as a low-barrier marketplace. As more creators monetize, overall ad spend and affiliate revenue will rise. Watch for policy changes that may adjust commission tiers or introduce new partnership perks. Creators should also keep track of product performance metrics. The dashboard now shows click-through and sales percentages per link. Engaging storytelling around a product often yields higher conversion than a plain endorsement. These updates trigger several second-order effects. First, the lowered thresholds will flood the ecosystem with more monetizable content, increasing competition for brand attention. Brands will need clearer attribution models to justify spend. Second, the auto-tagging AI creates a feedback loop. More tag videos lead to more data, improving AI accuracy in product discovery. Third, creators who master both brand deals and affiliate links can diversify income streams, reducing reliance on AdSense. Investors may see YouTube's monetization as a high-margin growth engine, potentially attracting venture capital for related tech. Future policy shifts may introduce tiered commission rates or performance bonuses, rewarding creators with the highest conversion. Watch for changes in the Creator Studio that allow deeper integration of product analytics and brand partnership contracts. Content creators will also need to manage compliance with new disclosure standards tied to AI-generated tags. The marketplace may see the emergence of niche product ecosystems, where small brands partner exclusively with micro-channels. YouTube might also introduce dynamic pricing data, allowing creators to negotiate better rates for high-volume links. To capitalize on these changes, creators should first enable creator partnerships in Studio and list brand interests. Next, apply for YPP Tier 1 to unlock shopping affiliate. Then, release a product review video that highlights a new gadget. The AI will tag it automatically. Track the affiliate dashboard to see which links convert, and adjust future scripts accordingly. For brands, consider using the new AI matching feature to target micro-channels with relevant audiences. Investors should monitor YouTube's quarterly reports for shifts in the monetization mix and track the growth of affiliate revenue. Watch the next YouTube Partner Program update. A change in the split or new partnership perks could reshape the landscape again. Keep an eye on algorithm updates that affect discoverability and engagement metrics. Also, experiment with short-form content. Shorts now earn higher click-through rates for affiliate links. YouTube may offer a product showcase badge for creators who consistently drive sales, boosting visibility. Finally, keep your channel's metadata clean. Accurate titles and descriptions help the AI match products correctly. Explore the next wave of YouTube monetization. Delve into how AI-driven brand matching could reshape creator careers and platform revenue. Stay tuned for upcoming policy shifts that may redefine partnership dynamics.